Gold traded in a narrow zone with little swings. We have seen it dropping towards 2650 and recovering it strong, while silver likewise has traded with modest bearish bias, failing to break beyond the resistance zone at 31.3120. As we have discussed yesterday, we have seen it dropping towards 31.55 60 levels. Now, what to expect today? Lot much of data later in the day from US definitely will bring lot much of volatility here. What to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session, and this is the only channel to give you detailed analysis for gold and silver with clear entry points, proper reasoning, and the take profits as well. And in fact, twice a day updates. The next update will be released before the data release, before the US session. Do not miss to watch. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, clearly again it is just taking the support from the 20 period moving average. See, all the candles are just concentrated with the support at 20 period moving average. Very important for gold to now stay below the 20 period average, and thus yet again 2654 56 zone is going to remain critical here. Yes, if you see gold trading below 2656, you can take a selling entry. However, you have to be alert till towards 2650. We have seen a very good support there, and then also even if it drops below 2650, 2645 46 first, and then 2640 42 second. Even if it drops on the downside till 2640 42, you should not be treating gold as bearish here. Only bearishness is if it trades below 2640 42 zone. Else what is happening, it is just taking the support, it could bounce back up again. Stochastic here is near to top. MACD, if you look at, see, rise, retracement, every rise is followed with a retracement, and if it breaks on the upside from here, it can deliver a stronger bullishness here. Right now it is trading bearish. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 2 hour, the observation is similar on the 2 hour charts. Yes, just taking the support from the 20 period, it is trying to bounce back, and I can see that the also look at the formation here, drop, trading sideways, and if it breaks out now below 2656.54 and then 2650 levels, we can see a good move which can take the prices towards 2640 42, or in fact lower levels as well. First bearishness, retracement, and a breakout here can deliver stronger bearish momentum. But if you look at the picture here, this is the support it is formed. Once it breaks out beyond 2670.71, we can look forward to a stronger rise. Thus, you should keep both the levels in mind. Stochastic rising, MACD here has crossed over. MACD here is trading with moderate bearish bias, and it is right now looking downwards. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same on the 3 hour charts as well. Every time a retracement rise is followed with a retracement or consolidation. Right now also consolidation is going on here. We have to just wait for it to come out of this zone, and on the upside now 2666.68, and on the downside 2654.56. These levels you should watch out with caution here. What is happening, you can see this one bigger swing candle, then a retracement, and a break or a breach below 2656.54 should lead to another round of bearishness here, which can take the prices lower. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, and this could lead to further drop as it is coming from a slightly higher levels. We can see a further retracement, which means that the on the 3 hour charts there is still a lot much of bearishness available. RSI comfortable but very near to the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts likewise one drop, retracement candles, consolidation going on. Wait for it to drop below the zone 2654.56 and then 2650, below this 2644 40 or 45 46, and then 40 42. Till here extremely strong supports available for gold, and once it breaches below 2640, the bearishness will increase, and then we can look forward to a move towards 26 24 30 zone, which is next support, below which more bearishness will prevail. Now see, if you look at the moment here, after this consolidation we have seen a very good rise here in gold, and it is still trading in this bullish channel. Now if you look at where are the lows of this channel, towards this zone at 2630 24, and this is going to be the next prime support if it stays below 2640. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD, now look at the MACD just crossing over here. It is also this crossover coming at a slightly higher levels. Whenever we see gold at such levels on the 4 hour charts, we have seen prices retracing sharply on the downside. See this, what has happened here, what has happened here, what has happened here, again here, and now here. So possibility of a drop exists here. RSI is also staying overbought. But also you should not exclude the picture on the upside. Once it stays above 2666.68, you can look forward to 2671.5, 72.5 first, 2678.80 second, and if it stays above 2685, stay bullish. We can look forward to a move towards 2700 as well. These are markets, anything and everything is. Now coming to the daily charts, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. And those who are looking forward to a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, and which offers you safer environment and a regular environment to trade, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Join it today and enjoy trading. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened yesterday? A swing and an indecision is seen here. Now indecision means prices were neither willing to break on the upside and the bears were not in control as well. It means now it has to wait for a breakout here. See, this is how it is trading, and that is where 2678.80 on the upside is going to remain strong. 2640.42 is going to remain further stronger zone. So these two levels you should watch out for. Any drop below this, any break above this is where you can say it is taking a direction, and above and below this you should not think of either buying or selling. So here you should not think of buying, and here you should not think of selling gold. These levels are clear. Now what could happen? See, too much of divergence here calls for it to converge. Also, it is trading in this bullish channel. Here the possibility of a move towards 2620 exists here, but right now it is indecisive, and thus we have to wait for it to take a direction. Possible bullishness cannot be denied. It can continue with the bull run what we have seen in the recent part. But if you look at the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. MACD trading with divergence and bullishness. See, if you look at the stochastic, when you see such highs, see, it always follows with a drop. You can check the history, you can check the pattern here. At such levels, certainly we expect a little retracement or a reversal. So this could be possibly one of the case today. If you look at the MACD, this is also trading with extreme divergence. Candles have flattened, so it is to try to converge now. RSI is also extremely overbought. It is not that it cannot stay overbought. Look what has happened here. It is already extremely overbought as of now. So possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold if you see it is staying above 2666.68 zone. Expect it to move towards 2671.5, 72.5 first, 2678.80 second, 2685 third, beyond which you can expect 2695 and 2700 levels here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 2656 levels. 2656.54 indeed is a very good support. Once you see the price is trading below 2656.54, stay short for 2650, 2645, 2640.42. Once it draws below 2640.42, we can see good bearish momentum towards 2630 and then 2624, 25 levels, below which it can deliver a stronger crash. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at. See, what we have seen in gold is getting replicated here as well. Prices were divergent here. It has come down to 20 period. Now it is just taking the support from the 20 period and 50 period moving average. Moving averages are consistently looking up. Largely saying, if you see this movement, it is trading in this slightly bearish channel and forming a nice flag. Thus, only bullishness, only buying entry today is above 31, 32 levels. And if you see it is staying above 32, we can expect a move towards 32.20, 32.30. But remember, 32.20, 32.30, and in fact 32.40. Till 32.40, there are greater resistances available for silver. Once it breaches beyond 32.30, 32.40 zone, we can look forward to a move towards 32.80, and in fact $33 levels are possible. But right now, if you look at the movement, it is just consolidating its and strengthening its position around 20 period moving average here. 3170 is one good support here on the downside. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge. RSI is staying flat. On the 2-hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Prices are just consolidating here around 20 period moving average. Also, if you look at it, is forming a flat base here. We have to be careful here till 3170 levels. But also look at the formation. What has happened? What has happened here? It has retest taking the support here on the downside. Stochastic rising, MACD is crossed over trading bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, after the drop, it is starting to retrace. See, one swing candle has appeared, again a retracement, and largely I can see there is slight bearishness, but also I can see it taking the support here on the downside. So till 3150 levels, 3140 levels, we should not be treating silver as bearish. Below 3150, 3140 levels is where you can say now we can look forward to a move towards $31 levels and in fact lower levels. Yes, it could erase all the gains from this candle moving towards 31. Possibilities there. While on the upside, you should not forget that yes, it has come down to take the support, and breaking beyond 3220, 3230 is where the bulls are waiting here for silver, and then a stronger rise can be expected. Stochastic rising on the 3 hour charts, MACD almost has just crossed over, but not showing any significant divergence, which means the bearishness is not much available. We have to wait for a couple of stronger red candles. RSI flat coming to 4. Likewise, on the 4 hour chart, see consolidation going on. Drop, retracement drop, and just staying and consolidating its position around 3180, 3170 zone. So if you see price is trading up below 3170, we can take a selling entry. Expect again 3150, 3140 zone. Very, very good support till then. Do not read this as bearish as long as 3140 is not taken. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI flat. Looking, I will recommend you to buy if you see silver trading above 32. When I say 32, the lower price has to be above $32 levels, where you could expect it to move towards 32.10, 32.20, 32.30, 32.40. Till 32.40, put a 10 cents trailing stop. Once it breaches beyond 32.40, chances will be very, very high that we can look forward to a move towards 32.80 and $33 levels here. Be watchful of this. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3170, where you can expect it to move towards 3150, 3140 first target zone, and below 3140 is where the bears are waiting. You can look forward to 3115, $31 levels at the next. Below 31, stronger bearish momentum may follow here. Right now, I can say the bears are not very much in control, and the bulls appear also to be exhausted. Thus, you have to be trading with caution. Wait for it to take a direction. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session and the news release, data releases. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to get the notifications, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again in some time before the US session.